Good morning, students. I hope all are doing fine. So we have completed first chapter, that is number sum to 9999. After the completion of first chapter, we will move on to second chapter, that is addition. In earlier classes, you might have come across single digit addition, that means one digit addition, as well as two digit addition and two digit addition with a carry. So let us firstly recall what we have learned in our earlier classes. Now addition. What is this addition? What is addition? It is combining two or more numbers or sum of two or more numbers. What is addition? Combining two or more numbers or sum of two or more numbers. The result that you are going to get after adding those two numbers is called total. So that is the second point here. The new number after combining is called total. Total of what? Total of the previous numbers whichever you have combined. That means added. So let us see this one. I have 6 balls over here. I want to combine them with 3 more balls. These 6 balls as well as 3 balls. 6 and 3 balls I have to combine. For combining, that is in mathematics, we have addition. For addition, what is the symbol that we are going to use? Plus. So 6 and 3 we have to add. What are 6 here? 6 balls and 3 balls we have to add. I want to combine them in one particular basket. And it is equals to, it is having one basket. I want to put all these 6 and 3 balls together in a basket. Let us see what is the count. So 6 plus 3. So I will just place these 3 balls first. These 3 balls first. After that, these 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, or you can say in reverse also. First I am keeping 6 balls. 3 balls, 4, 5, 6. After collecting these 6 boxes, that means balls in the basket, I want to collect these 3 balls also. 6. 6 after 7, 8, 9. So what is the total? 9. So 6 and 3 when they are combined is giving the result as 9. That means 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Let us go to the 2-digit addition. 2 digits. In 2 digits, what are the place values we have? Ones and tens. Ones as well as tens. Here, some digits are there in ones and tens places. 2 is in tens place. That's why it is called as 20. 6 is in ones place. 6. 20 plus 6, 26. That means 26. Already we have done expanded form, number name, everything in the first chapter. So this is 26. Below one more number is given. 4 is in tens place. 3 is in ones place. That's why it is called as 43. Let us add them. Whenever you add numbers, we have to add from the ones place. We should start adding the digits from the ones place. 6 and 3. Already we have added these 3 in the previous example, in the balls example. 6 and 3. when we add, what is the result? 6 and 3 is going to be 9. Similarly, after completing this one, we will move on to tens place. 2 and 4. 2 plus 4. How much? Keep 2 in mind and open 4 fingers. 2 plus 4. 6. So without the fingers also you can do. So here onwards you minimize the using of fingers. In the mind itself we have to calculate. 2 plus 4, 6. So what is the answer? 69. Next we will move on to the other example. We have 24. 2 is in tens place, 4 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place, 24 and 52. Add 4 plus 2. Already we have added 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 and 4 plus 2 both are same. So 4 plus 2 when you add, it is going to be 6. Next, 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5, how much? Already you have 2. Think it as some money. You have 2 rupees in your pocket and I have given 5 rupees, or you got 5 rupees extra. What it will be? 2 plus 5, 7. So that is the result. This is called as total. Next example. 52 plus 31. Here also we should start from ones place. So 2 plus 1, 3. Simple addition. Next, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Yes, 8. So this is going to be 2-digit addition. In all these examples, we don't have any carry. Have you observed that one? So on adding the ones place, we got the single digit as the answer. Here also we got the single digit as the answer. And here also we got the single digit as the answer. So let us move on to the next model problem in 2-digit addition, which is 2-digit addition with a carry. What is this carry? Let us see some example. Here I have some numbers, 2-digit numbers itself. 36, 46. What is the rule? We should start the addition from ones place. So in ones place we have 6 and 6. 6 plus 6, yes, 12. What is 6 plus 6? 12. Previously we got single digit, that's why we have written single digit answer below the ones place. Now how to write this 2-digit number? We got the addition of ones place as a 2-digit number. So that's why what you will do is you strike off this 2 which is in ones place and write in the ones place. What you will do? You have to strike off this ones place digit in the result 12. Since 2 is in ones place, you strike off and write in the ones place. Again, whatever the ones place digit, that means tens place digit, that is 1, you take it as a carry over the tens place. So that is the carry. So 2 I have strike it off and I have written here, and 1 whatever was there I have written in the tens place. That is a carry. Next, adding this 1 and 3, I will get 4. I have to include this carry also in the addition. 1 plus 3, how much? 4. Again 4, below one more 4 is there. 4 plus 4, I have to add. 4 plus 4, how much? 8. So that means these 3 digits I have to include in the addition. That means carry must also be covered. Carry must also be included. You should not neglect the carry. whatever the carry you got, so you should carry forward it to the next place value, and there you have to go on adding the digits. And whatever the addition you got regarding those digits, you have to place here. Similarly, two more problems are given. Let us see them. So 7 plus 4, that means in the next example 37 and 54, we have to add 7 and 4. 7 plus 4 will give us 11. 11. So what I have to do? In the ones place, I have to place one digit. So that's why you strike off 1 which is in ones place and write in the ones place. And simultaneously, you take the remaining one to the where? Tens place. Again, the same thing. 1 should be included. 1 plus 3 will give us 4. Again, 4, we got the answer. And one more digit is there below, that is 5. 4 plus 5, 9. So what is the answer we got? 9. Okay. In the next example, already it has done. 9 plus 10, 9 plus 1, 10. What you have to do? You have to strike off this one and write below the ones place, and at the same time you have to write 1 as the carry over the tens place. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So this is the 2-digit addition using the carry. That means with carry. Clear? So we have seen 2-digit addition without carry and with carry also. Okay. So let us firstly sum up. So whenever you get a carry, what you will do? So when you are adding the ones place digit, you will get a 2-digit number. You will strike off that the ones place and write in the ones place, and remaining tens place value above the tens place position, and you have to include that in the addition process. This is what we have seen throughout the examples. Next, there are some facts about the addition, some rules. If 0 is added to a number, if 0 is added to a number, is equal to the number itself. That means as 0 is not having any value in addition, especially if you add 0 to any number or a number is added to a 0, the number is going to be same. What is that same number? Example we will see. 0 plus 5. Answer is 5 itself. 7 plus 0 is equals to 7. 25 plus 0 is equals to 25. 0 plus 98 is equals to 98. That means when you add 0, it could not modify the value. The result cannot be modified. The same will be the answer. Similarly, we have one more rule regarding 1. If 1 is added to a number, gives the successor. What it will give? Successor. Suppose if I add 1 to 4, what I will get? 4 plus 1, 5. Now this 5 is the successor of 4. 5 is the successor of 4. Similarly, 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. Now this 8 is the successor of 7. Next, you can add numbers in any order. The sum will always be the same. That means in either ways you can add the numbers. 2 plus 3 is same as that of 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 is 5, as well as 3 plus 2 also 5. Let us see some examples. 1 plus 22 is equals to 23. Similarly, even if you reverse this one, 22 plus 1 is equals to 23. 10 plus 40 equals to 50. Similarly, 40 plus 10 equals to 50. Clear? So, in today's class, we have revised what is addition, how the addition is going on with carry and without carry and some addition facts. I have sent the worksheet in the Google form. Do it and all the best.